Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Economicspedia. Okay, so today here this is an examination update. I know I'm getting a bit late on the update regarding the UGC NET examination of the December 2020 session that is going to happen in the year of 2021. Okay, I really beg your pardon, but let's get back to the information that is very important for you to understand and to note down as well. So, as you know that the update, the date of registration has already begun, that is on the 2nd of Feb, and it is going to end on the 2nd of March. So get hold of this date because these are very important and this will actually help you to prepare. Okay, so this is the date. The dates are from the 2nd of Feb of 21 to 2nd of March of 21. This is the important date that you have to get a hold. This is the application date. During this date you can apply for the exam. Now coming back to the admit card. So this admit card is also very much important. You can expect the admit card to be appearing in the month of March or April. Okay, so here it is at the end of March or in the April, and the date of exam, which is really very important to understand, the dates of exam are in the month of May 2021. I request all of you to get hold of this date that is appearing on your screen and practice and you prepare according to that, because the timetable, like that means on which day which subject is going to be, like on which day the economics is going to be, it is not given out yet, but it will be given out very soon. So it is better you prepare according to the dates of the examination that has been given out already. Okay, now let's talk something about the eligibility criteria, that is who can appear for the exam or not. Now there is an age relaxation for those who can appear for the assistant professor. Those who are applying for the assistant professor, they do not have any age limit. There is no age bar. But the people who are applying for JRF, that means who want to pursue further their career or their academics into the subject of economics, that is JRF, that will help you to fetch your PhD program for any of the recommended and renowned universities of our country. So for the JRF, there is an age limit of 31 years. Okay, so this age limit is also very much important. For JRF, it is 31 years, JRF, and for assistant professor, no age limit. So this is also very much important. Okay, now who can appear for this examination, that is NET UGC. So for this NET preparation, for the exam of this NET, people who are in their final year of masters, who have given their exam or who are appearing in their final year of examination or are also awaiting for their results to come out, these type of people can appear for this NET exam. Alright. Okay, now coming back to, since I have given you already dates like application date, admit card date, date of examination as well. Now the results are expected to be around the month of June. Since this session, that is the NET, that is going to happen in the month of May, this is basically, as I've already told you, that is this exam, this session of NET is basically the June 2020, which has been missed out due to the pandemic. Now, for the year 2021, the June session examination is, the notification for the June session are going to be come out in the month of March. So I request all of you to keep an eye on the the official site of UGC, because there you can find all the information. And for the December session of 2021, the notification is you can expect it around the month of September. So these 2 months are also very much important to remember and get hold of the update regarding the UGC NET. Also, you can keep an eye on the Economicspedia channel, where we will be providing you with the updates as well. Now, let's talk about examination pattern. So, the exam is basically computer-based test where you will be given 150 questions and there will be 2 papers. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2. So in paper 1 you will be having 50 questions. This is for paper 1, and the next 100 question is for paper 2. This is basically the economics or the subject paper, that is paper 2. The marking system of both the paper are 2 marks per question, 2 marks for correct answers, and there is no negative marks. Yes, there is no negative marks, so that's round off to total of 300 marks. Alright, and if you want to talk about the cutoffs, of course the cutoff you can expect it to be for both the papers to be around 40%. So with this target you start your preparation. Let's now talk about the tips that will help you in your preparation and getting a hold of this session's NET examination. Let's move on. Okay, so starting with the first point in your preparation tip is to check the syllabus of this NET UGC. Okay, it is very important to get hold of the correct syllabus and then you prepare according to that. That is why it is very much important for you to get hold of the syllabus and go through the syllabus. First of all, go through the syllabus rigorously, understand what the syllabus is asking for, which portion that you need to focus, which is not, because the time is very limited and you cannot just spend your whole day onto just one topic. The time is not there. So syllabus is very much important. Then of course number 2 is your routine study sessions. Okay, this is also very much important. Like regularly you have to sit with a significant amount of the syllabus and then you need to target according to that. So for that it is very much important to have a routine accordingly, so that you set your own routine, whatever subject you like, in the morning, in the afternoon, maybe in the evening, whatever like that. So you can divide the whole session according to it and you can divide the syllabus according to it. Then after having read it, the third point is to make your own notes. Yes, making your own notes is the key to success. There are many ways that you can get hold of the notes. Like you can also ask us if you want any type of note, any particular topic. Suppose you are stuck and you don't know that exactly what the note has to be, like exactly which portion of the syllabus you need to go through. So for that kind of queries, you can simply contact us. The WhatsApp number and the mail ID is appearing on your screen. So make sure you contact us for any kind of doubt you face. Now, so making your own notes is very much important. No matter from which source you are reading, no matter which book you are reading, no matter what internet source you are referring to, just always remember to make your own notes, or make something in a very short form so that you can remember, or you can have the time to revise all your notes, that whatever you have created or whatever you have prepared for yourself. Okay, and then final thing under your preparation tip is to solve the past years. This is of course very much important. So solving past years question paper, this is also very much important. Okay, now for those who are thinking that how to get hold of the past year's question paper, for that you feel free to contact us, because we are now providing you a solution set with the questions, of course, a set of 500 questions, 500 objective questions in the pattern of UGC NET at a reasonable price. You can have it. So if any of you are interested, then feel free to contact us to the WhatsApp number appearing on your screen, or you can also mail us to our official mail ID, that is ecopedia02@gmail.com. Okay, now that is it about the preparation tip and also the important dates of UGC NET. I hope this video was helpful to you. These sessions are helpful to you, and for any further doubt, feel free to contact us at any time. Your queries will be entertained by us. Thank you everyone. Keep your preparations on. I hope to see you in one of my next sessions very soon. Thank you very much.